How much does it cost to replace a bad reversing valve on average?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Today just need average cost.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
No, a heating and colling company cooling.
Did you double-check the thermostat settings? And what about the filters?
I've had the comapny out to troubleshoot, and they said it was the reversing valve.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Now they are saying if doing the reversing valve they should also do the compressor at the same time. They also recommend doing the compressor at the same time as the reversing valve. Is that normal practice?
Hello. JustAnswer-Q&A here. I am ready to assist you with your issue. Please disregard any automated messages or phone call offers you are going to get. They are site generated and not from me.
Okay. Typing is good.
I have never replaced a good compressor because of a bad reversing valve. The only thing I can think of is if they were not sure of their diagnostic.
How can they make sure the compressor is bad? Or still working well for that matter?
It is a costly repair and you should get a second opinion by possibly a qualified tech. Does it work in cooling mode?
No, doesn't switch over. I'm told so. It doesn't work in heating or cooling. Typical if reversing valve is bad though. Correct. Are you there?
If it does not switch it will work in cooling. How old is the unit and what make and model? I will get back to you later. Emergency.
Unit is from 2005.
Back what make and model?
Carrier 3-ton.
If refrigerant is R410 it would about the same price to just replace the outdoor unit for a new one, plus you get 10 years warranty. Repair cost. Reclaim refrigerant $100, compressor $1,400, reversing valve $200, new refrigerant $250, labor $400, total $23.50. Compare with new unit plus add install fee of $400. https://www.ebay.com/idm/3-ton R410A14 SEER pane by Carrier heat pump condensing unit /1429085544649.
I'm being quoted for $6,000 to replace my 3-ton heat pump unit. American Standard. Is the type of replacement unit quoted?
Again, what's the exact model of your unit, as listed on the rating sticker on heat pump, and does it say refrigerant R410?
Either way, does $6,000 sound like too much?
On your existing heat pump, what's the exact model of your unit, as listed on the rating sticker on heat pump? And does it say refrigerant R410? I am asking you this because if it's a R410 heat pump, you will only have to replace the outdoor unit, everything else can be reused. And cost would be much cheaper.
Model number 38 SV6036300.
Carrier model number 38 SV6036300, does not match any documents, not a good number. Get it right this time, and you can even send me a picture of the whole sticker rating plate, that would be great. You can upload pictures here using the Attach Files button next to the Send button in your reply dialog window. Pictures are very helpful for me.
Cancelled my membership as you are rude and ignorant. Goodbye.
Asked you 4 times, and still nothing. Good luck with that. My name is I am happy to assist you today. Please provide as much information as possible about the situation to help me provide as accurate an answer as possible. Along the way you will receive an offer for a live phone call for an additional fee. We have some excellent experts who work by phone, and if available one may be able to work with you by phone. I personally am not set up to offer live phone conversations. The offer is optional, and if you choose to work with another expert by phone, that is fine. I will still continue to help here in chat as long as needed with no time limit. For $6,000 you can replace system, for that is a fair price. Reversing valve replacement should be about $800 to $1,000. Compressor replacement should be about $1,500 to $2,000. Outdoor unit alone should run about $2,500. Let me know if you have further questions. Thanks for allowing me to work with you. Bonus always appreciated, as this is how I earn my living. After rating, feel free to follow up for next 30 days at no additional fee. Please use the stars at top of the page to do this before you go, so I am credited with assisting you. Thanks again.
I appreciate your response, and thanks for letting me know that $6,000 is in the ballpark as to what I should pay.
My pleasure. I am here if you have more questions or concerns. Thanks again. If you have further, let me know. Otherwise please use 5 stars on top of page to rate answer so it shows answered.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.